ye back kɛseɛ ona ehona sami jemfimu ni ade ni nyabasatale ohonya no mo ba ho mo bedidi ebi asawaba party office da you get to the party office. I have a problem here. Me jina sesa me no kasa me jina party office ni pa na me no kasa no. And I me who say waba platform ni so na me catch am say I will join you and talk because we have a problem. I think say platform we so ye NPP for nko na jina so ntini if I say something na keke ntini I think nothing is going out.
Okay,
the voice, you know something about we the NPP share. The problem all we are having here is we are not using the youth. We are not using the youth. It's for we the youth. But the voice, you know our people don't allow us to come out. Ebi amena mekano, she udu party office ukasa wo shesha na ampas. Everybody mijina hokrani, women's no mutonton flag bearers nyama winim hono ho ba ko na mijina kwi anche na mekasa sesi she we need to use our youths. Often say NPP, we don't have someone like Sami Jemfi. Do you think say NPP, we don't have someone like Basantali? We have youths, we have leaders, and youths. If we are using them,
the voice, let me come in.
If we are using them,
let her finish.
Because our leaders
let her
don't
finish.
want to pay. Our
we
leaders
should use our youths. We are not sure. Mami Kasebin sure. Ye kotu abano. Ye kotu aba me say. Unse ye no ebi ayedi ye junkie works intinu ye kasa ye ntie. Because listen, ye kotu aba. The voice aka 2 days so say ade becha me ye kotu afin na NPP for ye pe buses. Ye call VIP ye do ye na NDC for out the buses in your station. What's the use of sitting in the office instead of you to give the work to the youth to go out there and work? They don't give us the chance. Ube wana penny, udu a party officer, a ye baby and penny for didi ohona memewo. Ye back kɛseɛ ona ehona sami jemfimu ni ade ni nyabasatale ohonya no mo ba ho mo bedidi ebi asawaba party office da ubi a obenim ye ton aduane wo ho me na me ba ni wo inside no. The voice, see, if the boys come and sit down when they talk bitterly. Once the NPP for your problem and you want to say, we are not using our youths. In Penifona, they do many bosso. And if you go and say it, they have problem with it. Your youth are fear your lesson and you lose na is because they don't use we the youths. To say youth in your good any. There is a places the youth we can go, but the leaders will not even push us to go there. Me, I'm not even here to talk about. I don't know these people. If I say me, actually, there me Nima police station. Me me because me bomb se guma no. If I open my mouth, it's bomb. They will come and catch me. So me hey, oko Nima police station. Because me, I have been there. I'm tired, but I'm still talking. Say, let your people use us. Let the people use the youth because see Ghana hana ye wono and you read the youth. NDC for be fe nyina ye the way they use the youth. I'm telling you, be a delegate. Omo ben dwini nyina ye the way they are using the youth. And as see ano, o see na Ghana ha ye wono. Answer tama penny be so akokransa akoto aba no na bi abo be ye 4. But if the youth is going, you go with things and gatherings. Number me, I'm not here to talk about what they are saying, but I'm here to tell you, maybe you are in the platform where soon to kasa a beer, they will take it. My prayers is and all my problem I'm having here is we should use the youth. The voice, we have youth, we have youth. Why is the cancer? You will be more committee Malik Basantali Musami Jemfimu. We have youth, NPP, we have youth. But in Penifono Adiji Ejumana fa. And no Omatina so. Me party of me to me kojina me to me kasa. Munje Jumani mayeyo me obi any one in your party office because me do sabana no be dede. Yes, because you are not giving us the chance to share. So a idea this platform, using this platform, say a idea will be a coin at to her one day sit on this platform and say youth should come out and speak. You see the bitterness in the youths. Obe bitterness what we the youth, some of the youths. Way, excuse me to use that word though. So Ofo say I don't think say penny be na ama wakwenya se brabret na wona yo. You are doing it for your party. Penny be wo hopa obetumi support you. This what you are doing, it will go far. But it's not going to do it. But NPP NDC ni be kwa ko hu obi. Nipa ne de ne kra beto ho obemma no because of the way so wo hu say nipa ne ni mukasa. Or kasa ebeko echirenti no, he will give the person a chance or obema nipa no obe pusi nipa no for the person to talk. O platform say you have almost getting to one this thing on this your platform. And so for says one day po ye penifo pushi wa na say ye nyina na say bia NDC ni bi begina so na otia. O for say you will not withdraw and come back to us. The voice ye painful. It's painful. I understand. Our people are not using us. Our people are not using us. Oh, to own our we are youths. See the work we are doing. Ofu say now will so 3 or 4. No more create this platform. Do you think the next coming election we are going to lose?
No.
Do you think we are going to lose?
No.
But they are not giving us the chance.
Abutre, after July, all these things
are going to change. I don't blame them. I don't blame the NDC. So I don't blame them. I'm blaming our leaders because I had no more chance, no more ya kwenya, no more ya Jimmy to say na Malik Basantali ni Sami Jemfim no wemu Jimmy wamu party ni mwa. Anka who say yes, we are also there. We are also chema to me. See what the youth party youth for. See what they did. See what they did. A bit to me now, 1 solid week. As I chema to me. Are they on party party people? So you take go. So if you are giving all these people a chance and giving them this do party time, when raha, giving them motors, when raha, me say da ya kwakoto aba, me see me jina party office, na me bomb me the voice, na me soon. Because ye nya campaign se sankrofo ne nya den enko to aba. Na matina sia for to asema me can just record it and go and ask any party member. Ada ye to aba. It's the party office na me soon. So you know something, wo bia wo beba na wo be ye na dwuma na wo panyin no be ye o di ma youth be ye double. My problem is you people should give the youths a chance. Ghana is for we the youths. Eye for youths. Ube winia eye youths. Ube ria eye youths.
Okay.
Sesia Ghana hane ye wonu. Eye for we the youths. It is sometimes if you people are talking, you young boy yempenyi for neti kakra. Me yensro. We are all party members. Me say me work membership card. Me tuya dues every month. Every month, so I have the right to talk. Me because that party office, I mean, share me. But the entire man, the mappa platform, Mr. Amikasano. Ebi also, ebi ye junkie works in Tino, ye kasa yentie. But ebi the other platform so a mark kesi any money at the end of the day. Oh, kasampe nipe bebre show. Ebi a mobile phone so the can and the people are watching. So what you are saying is true. Ebi a mobile. The voice, I don't want to talk a lot. This is all what I want to talk. Until I'm a full platform, so I'm done.
That's a jelly. Nyabutre, why? From July, after you call special Congress, to approve the new constitution, I'll be brave. And I can tell you, say most of the teams say, they have decided to use youth. So if you are saying, say people like political mavis who are working with the vice president and all, it is a testament. Say, who say. Yes, some mistake, and we don't want to repeat that mistake again. Going into 2028 election, so be quite sure, say, all of you will be utilized to the fullest.
But are you aware, say that very day you were aware that we don't even have car to even pick the.
Minim. Even on social media, people like my mother, some of my mothers here have to send me money to send to people to. Take her.
Thank you.
Even right here. So
yes.
You.
But once say you got but after 2 days, na fe na ye kwa pay basis. Ye do wo me kan ho na ye call VIP. Me the book my mochi and ye call VIP. Ye do ye see. Almost 3 months. 3 months ago. 3 months ago.
Mommy, best topic now.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, AJ Lee.
You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much.
So just
You.
don't change.